Sa nakasabon.
Yeah, that's a bone. You like it?
Yeah.
You're eating snail. Like you're eating your meat, right? Oh. You like it?
Want me to open it? Where's the paper?
Sabi
You
ni,
read it.
sabi ni Tan, what the?
Hey Lola. Hey Lola.
Visit.
Pakinggan mo yung anak mo. Hey Lola, listen to mama.
May nasa mga battery. What is written there? Can you read?
Lola talaga.
Lola talaga baliktad. Ay, babe.
Eat it. But
Daddy, so, daddy, kainin mo nga. Anong i-reaction yung bata?
yeah, look. Look.
Oh no!
Ethan is 2.
Ethan, look, daddy eat the, the pit.
Hey, listen to mama.